Hi everybody, this is Nico at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois, where my friend Judy over here and her husband Jack, who's afraid to be on camera, just bought a brand new 2014 Cruze. Judy, Jack, you guys are great. How was your experience here at Phillips?
It was wonderful.
Yeah?
You worked hard to get it. I'm glad you did.
We got it done though, didn't we?
Yes, you did.
Hard work.
You promised you would, and you did.
I'm a man of my word.
Yes, you are.
I appreciate your loyalty business you have for us here. You bought many cars from us, by the way.
Yep.
So I'm glad you guys are happy, right?
Yep.
Awesome. You gonna refer me to?
Absolutely.
It's the fourth one.
Awesome.
Absolutely.
Thanks everybody. This is
Thank
Nico at
you.
Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, Illinois.